The most effective sales funnel helps businesses drive growth, build customer relationships, and maximize their sales potential by engaging customers at different points in the sales process. Keap is a revolutionary marketing tool that helps businesses automate and optimize their sales processes, create targeted email campaigns, segment their customers, track interactions, and much more, all of which leads to a more targeted customer experience and more sales. With its user-friendly interface, users can also manage e-commerce, from inventory management to payments and purchase fulfillment, set up online shopping carts, track digital storefront activity, and send quotes, invoices, and receipts. Keap also allows you to build appealing landing pages by offering landing page templates designed by professionals that you can customize to fit your brand. It helps businesses grow and automate sales pipelines and marketing campaigns that enhance customer management and increase conversion rates. It has also helped service-based organizations that require a CRM with extensive sales and marketing automation, as well as fully tailored campaigns that interact seamlessly with existing apps. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Keap review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Keap. What does Keap really do? Keap is a cloud-based sales and marketing tool that offers customer relationship management, CRM, marketing automation, and e-commerce functionalities in one suite, helping businesses streamline their sales and manage customer experiences. Users can segment contacts, track customer engagement, send emails, and conduct campaigns that include targeted communication triggers based on email opens, clicks, and more. Its reporting and analytics features enable users to perform analysis on criteria such as email, campaign performance, sales, and revenue. Keap boasts a 20% open rate and a 13% click rate on emails, far higher than the industry standard. With its advanced contact organization capabilities, businesses can tag contacts based on different metrics or data points, helping with segmentation and targeted marketing efforts. Additionally, Keap provides account and company management features, allowing businesses to effectively manage their accounts and track customer interactions. Keap helps businesses automate every stage of the sales journey, use a broad range of available workflow templates, and create advanced custom workflows with drag-and-drop tools, making it the best tool for sales automation. Benefits and key features of Keap. Some of the benefits and unique features of Keap includes 1. Advanced automation for sales and marketing. Keap automates marketing tasks such as lead capture, lead nurturing, and customer segmentation to streamline marketing processes and drive customer engagement. You can even use its internal forms to automate your company's internal sales processes. 2. Sales pipeline management. Keap allows you to track sales opportunities, manage deals through different stages, and gain visibility into the sales pipeline for effective sales management. You can also zoom in on specific leads or stages to see if anything needs special attention. 3. Web forms and landing pages that increase conversions. You can use Keap to build great forms using templates that capture important lead information and add it to your CRM. You can also generate more leads by employing website landing pages to collect visitor information. 4. Email and SMS marketing. Keap provides you with email campaign templates and contact segmentations to reach the right audience. Its automated text messaging uses workflows to target your prospects who appear most ready to become leads and customers. 5. Lead scoring and contact management. Keap allows businesses to centralize and organize customer data, including contact information, communication history, and purchase records, facilitating effective lead nurturing and customer retention strategies. 6. Keap A/B testing. Keap gives you the flexibility to compare different marketing campaigns on similar audience groups to see which gets the most engagement and has the highest potential to convert. 7. E-commerce integration. You can seamlessly integrate Keap with e-commerce platforms to collect customer data, automate follow-up sequences, and drive repeat sales. You can also set up recurring payments, manage subscriptions, create and send invoices, create your own promo codes, and track them. 8. Detailed analytics and reporting. With Keap, you get a fully customizable analytics dashboard to monitor your activity in real time and gain valuable insights into your business performance. This helps you make data-driven decisions and ensure continuous optimization of your marketing and sales strategies. Keap's pricing and plans. Keap uses a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 14-day free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The other plans include the Pro, Max, and Ultimate plans. The price increases according to the number of contacts you have. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited email marketing tools. Pros: automate repetitive tasks and save time in marketing and sales management. Design and send attractive and professional emails and personalized text messages. Automatically collect leads and funnel them into the appropriate sales processes. Drive more conversions by applying custom promotions and checkout forms. Prioritize your hottest leads and trigger automation based on the customer's likelihood to buy. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the 14-day free trial comes with limited features. Conclusion: Keap helps you convert leads and manage your onboarding process, saving time and effort through its automated workflow processes. With a suite of tools specifically crafted for customer nurturing, Keap enables marketing and sales teams to streamline their workflows, automate their processes, and deliver personalized experiences to each individual customer. You can use Keap to schedule appointments directly with your clients, send quotes to customers, generate invoices, and collect payments. Keap also offers SMS and email marketing, allowing you to send targeted messages to customers to boost open rates and conversions. Keap provides detailed analytics and reporting, allowing teams to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions. By tracking key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, teams can optimize their marketing and sales efforts for maximum impact. As to security, Keap's commitment to keeping its customer data safe impressed us. What sets Keap apart from competitors is its tightly integrated customer, pipeline, and sales management tools that are all readily available in an impressively intuitive interface that gives you an excellent high-level view of your business. By automating your sales processes with Keap, you can save time and resources while also ensuring that no leads slip through the cracks. Keap has been shown to be the most effective sales funnel for automated workflows at a fair price. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Keap. If you enjoy this Keap review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.